Welcome to the following presentation of Marble League Baseball. Welcome back to the Sons of Pitches versus Untouchaballs, and let's get started with inning number 2. You can see the Untouchaballs lead the Sons of Pitches 5-3. First to the plate, Malika Ias from first base. Comes the first pitch. Strike one.
Strike.
Second pitch, curveball. That's going to be hit right in front of the center fielder, Karina Norris. She's going to make the throw to first, but not in time. Karina really has a rocket of an arm. Myra Vance comes up to the plate. Pitch number 1. Ooh, knocked down by the pitcher and lands directly in the square of Beverly Hall, which is a pop fly out. Next up to bat, Rosie Coleman from shortstop. Is 1 for 1 so far with a single in the first inning. Gets the ball down into shallow right field. And Jethro Justice grabs the ball, makes the throw to second, but not in time. 1 out. Caleb Hopkins comes to the plate. Also got a single in the first inning. First pitch. Strike.
Strike.
Here comes the second pitch. Ooh. Right into the hands of the pitcher for out number 2. Maddox Thatcher, 0 for 1 so far. Comes the pitch. Fastball right down the center. Ends up landing just behind second base. Maddox Thatcher. Beverly Hall makes the throw to second place for the out number 3. Here come the Untouchaballs. Ruby Davidson. First bat for her today. Fastball down the center. Knocked down by the pitcher. Shortstop Rosie Coleman makes the throw to Malika Ias, and it is not in time for a base hit. Behind Fuller, 1 for 1 so far, with a single in the first. Pitch 1 is a strike. Comes pitch 2. Ooh, gets stuck for ball number 1. Pitch number 3. Strike 2. Comes the 1-2 count. Curveball. Pitcher knocks it down. Again, lands right next to second base, Zara Baxton. She's going to grab the ball, step on second for 1 out. Tries to make the throw to first, but not in time. Only 1 out. Martin LeBlanc, also 1 for 1 with a single in the first inning. Comes the curveball. Makes it past the pitcher. Into center field, right in front of Abdi McDaniel. Gets the ball, makes the throw to second, then makes it to first. Ooh, you can see that it's a tie, and of course the tie goes to the runner. So there's only 2 outs. Cameron Lee, 1 for 1 with a double RBI in the first inning. Here comes the curveball. Ooh, center field again. Abdi McDaniel's going to go after this one. Grabs the ball, makes the throw to third. She's got a rock of an arm. And Martin LeBlanc is really, really fast. Here comes Karina Norris. 0 for 1 in the first inning. Lands right. Ooh, where's it going to go? Just past Zara Baxton. He's going to grab the ball, throw it to second, makes the play for out number 3, and that's the end of the second inning. No runs scored, but quite a few hits in inning number 2. Untouchables still lead 5-3. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.